Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out Vivo's latest launch, the brand new Vivo V65G, a smartphone that's turning heads with its stunning 200 megapixel camera and sleek premium design. The Vivo V65G looks absolutely gorgeous with its quad curved AMOLED display and matte glass back that feels just like a flagship. It features a 6.77-inch quad curved AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits brightness, making it vibrant and smooth to use. Plus, the diamond shield glass ensures it's durable enough to handle everyday bumps and scratches. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, delivering smooth and performance for gaming, multitasking, and 5G connectivity. Now, the real showstopper here is the 200 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and up to 30x zoom, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide sensor on the front. There's a 50MP selfie camera with autofocus for crisp, detailed shots. Vivo has also added smart AI camera models like AI Aura, Light Portrait, and AI Festival Portrait to make your pictures pop in any condition. Keeping everything running is a huge 6500 mAh battery that supports 90 watts fast charging, so you'll be back to full power in no time. The phone also comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, offering dust and water resistance. Out of the box, it runs on FrontEdge OS 15 based on Android 15, giving a smooth and clean user experience. As for pricing, the Vivo V65G starts at 29,999 for 8GB RAM and 128GB variant, and the 31,999 for 8GB RAM and 256GB variant, and 33,999 for 12GB RAM and 256GB variant. You can grab it into two color options. One is in light purple and the other one is in noble gold. Starting October 10th on Vivo's official website, Flipkart, Amazon, and in offline stores, you'll be able to purchase. So that's the brand new Vivo V60e 5G, a powerful mid-range device with a flagship level camera, stunning design, and strong battery life under 35k. Would you pick this phone or go for competitors like OnePlus Note 4 or Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.